to the December 2nd, 2009 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Bowley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. This morning we're going to be taking a look here at Corinthian Colleges, ticker symbol COCO. This is a $1.3 billion post-secondary education company providing various diploma programs as well as associate's, bachelor's, and master's degrees in the United States and Canada. Now, if you take a look at the chart here over the last few months, you can see that we've been trending down. The thing that's kind of interesting with COCO at this point is that today's move down, you can see, took out previous low closes. When we go back the entire year, you can see that this move down was on very heavy volume, and it looked like on an intraday basis that COCO was going to break down, but instead it rallied back up, finishing at 14.51, which was just 3 pennies above key long-term support. So when you combine that heavy volume false breakdown with this lower low in price that coincides with a higher MACD, we see that we have a long-term positive divergence in place at the same time that we're hitting critical long-term price support. This in no way is a healthy stock, but from a trading perspective, this is a great risk to reward area to consider entry, because if the stock breaks down, we move down below today's earlier low, and especially if volume's heavy, you can mitigate your losses and take a small loss. Whereas what I would expect to happen in the near term is after a kick save like this, I would expect to see COCO begin to rally in the near term, first going up to challenge its 20-day moving average, then ultimately getting up to test this price resistance up here at about 1640 to 1650, and that too would likely coincide with the 50-day test as the 50-day continues to drop down. Normally when we see a positive divergence like this, that's what we look for. We look for the MACD to reset by seeing price move back up to test that 50-day moving average. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at investedcentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.